Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Tesira HD-1 Dialer and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're basically going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this dialer is not responding or not connecting or just seems to be not working for any kind of reason, a hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if you're just trying to set this up on a new system. This is a good step in the process to just clear everything that was on it before out. All we need to do is come around the back to where the network socket is, and right next to it we'll see this hole right here. It's not labeled, but you can kind of guess that it's the reset hole. And you're going to need a paper clip or something like that. And you're just going to press in there, and you'll need to press and hold, and you should feel it, depress down or kind of click down when you press. And just, press and hold that button for at least 3 seconds. On a lot of these Tesiras it's 10 seconds. This is a 3-second press, and then release it. And then just give it a few seconds. The reset process will begin. Allow it to complete its process, and then you can set it up as a new device.